Alright guys. Update. See how big they are, and they're very friendly. Jesus, you're fat, man. Very friendly. Open up. Go on. Go ahead. They'll come to you. They don't run away. This product right here, you put it in around the cage, put it inside the cage, all inside and around. That way no bugs or nothing could get on your chicken, because chicken, they carry some bugs. They like to stick to the chickens and feed off the chickens. When I was raising the birds, if I knew about this, I would still have my birds. See how friendly they are? Now they're a month and a half. Soon start laying. I'm waiting on my eggs. Again, they seem happy. This product right here, they are little dry worms or whatever they want to call them. Chickens love them. There's good protein for them. Very good protein. This is the name of the company. You could get it online. And as you can see, all the grass is dead. So I put down, this is wood shaving. It's not sawdust, it's wood shaving. When I'm ready, I just rake it up, put it in a bucket, because it has all the chicken feces and stuff inside of it. Put it in a bucket, let it sit. Never ever ever put this in your garden right away. You have to let it sit for about a year. Let all the acid out of the chicken manure, out of the chicken poop release. You have to let all the acid release. Then you can put it in your garden. Alright, this is just an update on the chickens and, you know, what I'm doing. Catch you guys on the next one.